last day, the last stage. Just took everything out. See what we got going on here today. Doesn't that look good? That looks very good. They are getting nice and plump here. First thing I did notice that the alcohol is not being as absorbed as the first 2 days. So what that would probably say is 3 days is probably a good day, or 3 days is the right amount of time for soaking these things up. Otherwise it might just sit there and not do much. And they're just sitting in there and you're going to want to eat them and drive me nuts. So 3 days is a good day to soak. So again, nice and stir. You know, do a little quality test control. Those are good. Alright, party is going to love these. So with these, it does have a nice kick of the alcohol. And so to offset that, we have one last piece of ingredients to add that they're going to soak in one more day. And what that is we have some fruit punch. So I'll make 2 of these to soak in here. So I will strain that alcohol and throw 2 cans of fruit punch in here. And I'll go ahead and get that set up. And we'll finish off right here. I'll be right back. Okay, final step there. I drained the alcohol and I put about 2 of these into a blender, and then I added about maybe 3/4 to a full can of water. I had a little left over, so you probably only need about maybe 1/2 to 3/4. And more concentrated, I would with some water, probably the better versus just having 2 cups of water in one of these. Because what you want to do is try to soak up some of the fruity taste from this to offset some of the potency of the alcohol. The alcohol is still going to be in it. They're nice and plumped. So you just want to make it a more pleasant taste. So there we have it on the last stage. I will go ahead and mix these a little bit. Throw it in the refrigerator for the final night. And they will be ready to go tomorrow. And then I'll do a side-by-side comparison then to show you what they look like before and afterwards. So we're nearly there, and yes, people are going to love them. And you will too if you're making them.